We're at Pelion High School today, and what we're working with is a program called Meals of Hope. We decided this year to focus on the FFA motto line, Living to Serve, and really take this into the communities. Today, almost 200 FFA members from around South Carolina have come here today to package 35,000 meals that will be distributed to those in need in South Carolina. Been excited about this. This has been a year in the making, a year of planning. So to finally see it today and to see those students in there with their hairnets and working hard to make sure that those meals are ready for South Carolinians. Our goal is maybe another year or two do this again and focus on another set of counties.
Well, the FFA advocates for so much more than just agriculture. We advocate for leadership from people in our society, and that leadership carries over to our agricultural industry. The FFA's name was changed to the National FFA Organization and no longer the Future Farmers of America, because we wanted everyone to know that the FFA welcomed all people.
So service is a big part of the FFA, whether that be on more of a local level or maybe a statewide level like today is. So we've got a bunch of high schools in today to serve kind of the low country, those counties that need that extra help right now. And really FFA is all about leadership.
90% of the children that have perfect attendance in lower income school are children that are going without meals at home, because they know when they come to school, this may be the one meal that they get or the two meals, whether it be breakfast and lunch. And so a food insecurity, you're asking a child to, go without or be present in something and act like they are happy when on the inside, they don't know how to control what's going on. So, being an individual who came from that background when I was on the receiving end of those meals at one point when I was younger, being homeless and raised by a single mom, I know what a lot of these kids are going through. So for young people to take this time to be able to give back to maybe one of their friends or maybe a close relative or a neighbor that these meals will impact, it speaks volumes for these young people to be able to give up their time to be able to do this.